we'll go to next three constituencies. Nuvem, Curtorim, Fatorda. Very interesting. Nuvem, defector, defected from Congress, doesn't know which ticket to take, whether to contest as independent or whether to contest as any other ticket. What happens to Babashan? We'll start with Nuvem. Is Babashan safe? Is Babashan safe? Babashan is unsafe. Very clearly unsafe. From Nuvem, we'll go to Curtorim. Alex Reginald. What happens to Alex Reginald? How is Alex Reginald faring? So Alex Reginald is safe. What happens to Fatorda? Now this is one final Goa forward seat. We have to see whether it is safe or unsafe. What happened to Fatorda? And Vijay Sardesai is safe. So Babashan unsafe, Reginald safe, Vijay safe. Finally Goa forwards, one seat looks safe. Nilesh, how do you explain this from a data point of view?
Right. Again, the parameters we took, I think overwhelmingly support this point where the candidate in Nuvem seems unsafe because again as a sitting MLA, he has not been rated very high and people overwhelmingly look at change of government. Assuming that on the date of time, at the time of taking this survey or collecting the data, he was a part of BJP. So therefore, all the more important to understand this. Curtorim, amazing. I think in spite of being in opposition, I think there's a large, overwhelmingly large number of people who are very happy with Alex Reginald, and not only that, there is again a very skewed large majority which wants a change of government. So that's a thing
that reinforces that safety.
That reinforces the safety. Fatorda again, there's quite a large sum which is basically talking about him being good, and he is probably one of those few candidates in the entire list of sitting MLAs who has got no percentage votes for worst performance. So that simply shows that Vijay Sardesai is rated quite highly. Apart from that, there is a very strong sentiment towards the change of government.
Manoj?
Fully agree with this part of survey for these three constituencies. Nuvem unsafe asas for Babashan, and he has been a non-performer. सरकारान आसून सुद्धा व्हडलो Nuvem constituency काय फायदो करपाक ते शकले नात. आणि ताच्या खातीर लोकांक चेंज ऑफ गव्हर्नमेंट जाय. रिमेंबर दॅट दीस ट्रेडिशनली इज अ काँग्रेस सीट आणि ताच्या शिवाय काँग्रेसा शिवाय आणि कसलोच इतिहास ताका ना. Curtorim, the said seat seems very safe for Congress, for Reginald, not for Congress as such. Because I really do not know whether Reginald will stick to Congress till the time of elections or whether he has some alternative plan. This is also an typically what is a pro-Congress seat, so therefore I have no doubts that Reginald will continue to stay whether he is with the Congress or whether he is not with the Congress. Now it's for Congress to see.
So you are saying Reginald is a winning candidate?
Reginald is a winning candidate. Okay. I don't give it to the Congress at all. Fatorda, there is no doubt, like him or hate him, Vijay Sardesai has been a very good performer. Vijay Sardesai has been a good minister when he was in the government, and he has been in good opposition when he is away from the government. So it's consistently playing well, irrespective of the pitch. But people since want a change in government there again. So the signs of comeback which we were reading or which we were sensing for the BJP goes for a toss. So here it seems it is an anti-BJP MLA here.
What happens in Nuvem? It is essentially, you see, you can't call it a Congress, safe seat Congress, because twice the Congress has lost there. It isn't that Congress has won it every time there. But Babashan will have one thing to explain to the people. See, he went to the BJP and very clearly said, I have gone to carry out development in my constituency. Fair enough. If you can carry out development with BJP, why do you now contest as independent? This is my home constituency. This is a question I am directing to him. I'll be voting there. Now, if you BJP can carry out, please be with that party. If you are coming out,
you feel that Babashan is unsafe?
I don't feel anything, but I am saying he'll have to answer to us why he's not contesting on BJP. Now, that is as far as Nuvem is concerned. Now, we go to Fatorda. I have no doubt, I don't need this survey to say that Vijay is winning.
Yeah.
You see,
that's why when we come to Salset, we generally rely on you more than a survey.
No.
Yeah.
See, Vijay is also a long-time friend. And so many people tell me, Vijay Jiknam, I tell all of them, you don't be under under a belief that Vijay is not. Vijay will win and will win by a big margin. You see, he has taken care of his constituency like no one else has done. You go and see what he's done. And the works he does are quality works. You see the market, people may talk of formalin or whatever, but you see the fish market we have, it is probably one of the best in India. Neat, clean, is still there. He's built a lovely little chapel there where it was coming on the road. You just look at that chapel and you look at the roads. See, he does work, man. He does work and he is available to the public all the time. So there's no reason why people will not vote for Vijay. And then, of course, we have my another friend, Reginald. You see, Reginald is one MLA who is on 24 hours call. I know him. He will at 1 o'clock in the night, 2 o'clock, you call him, he's there at your doorstep. You see, he is an MLA who he's got so much of approval because he is available, despite being in the opposition. And he does work, people's work, whatever he can do, he does. He sincerely works. So for this reason also, it is a very safe seat for Reginald. But as Dr. Manoj has pointed out, there are big question marks about him being in the Congress, simply because the Congress has been unfair to him all this time.
Okay.
He's been one Congress leader who has stood up, but Congress has not been fair to him.
Giriraj, before I go to Elvis, do you want to contest this data or you concede?
Except for Fatorda, I would like to.
Okay, for Fatorda you would like to go and contest. Okay.
Yeah, absolutely, because I think Fatorda is going to be a big surprise because increasingly, until some days ago, I think Goa Forward also looked like a credible opposition. Today, Vijay Sardesai looks like an independent with a political party. As far as Curtorim is concerned,
Yeah.
I think Manoj Bab rightly said that this is votes in favor of Reginald as a performing MLA rather than vote of confidence in the Congress. Nuvem, of course, has traditionally been, I think, if not a pro-Congress seat or non-BJP seat. So I think that is where the party to decide. But Fatorda, please get ready to be surprised with the result.
We shall wait.